What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another draft league for me that I'll be recording this season, which the draft league is PBL. Very excited for this league. And I'm in the Master Ball division, which is the top division here. And I'm very excited to use this team that I have because, yeah, starting off the team strong, there's Ogerpon Wellspring with Terra, which I am very, very excited to use this Pokemon. As far like, if you know me, plus like, as you can tell by the logo, like I absolutely love Ogerpon so much. So I'm very, very excited to use this Pokemon. And then next up is Garchomp, followed by Zapdos with Mega Lopunny, Weavile, Blacephalon, Tinkaton, Slowbro Galar, Eldegoss, Greedent, and Dottler. This team is like very, very physically offensive, but like I'm excited to try this team though. I'm very excited to try this team. Like I also really wanted to get Weavile with Ogerpon Wellspring just because it's a really good ice type to pair with it. Since like dragon types are pretty like really good to swap into Ogerpon Wellspring. So like having that ice typing now, and like he's a really good knockoff for Lopunny as well. They have really good knockoff mons on this team, so it's very good with Megalop too, which makes me even more excited. Blacephalon, I'm very excited to try as well too. I've always wanted to try this Pokemon. But yeah, starting off on week 1 here, I'll be facing Robert, and his team is very terrifying. It's Raging Bolt with Terra, Zamazenta Hero, Rillaboom, Samurott Hisui, Iron Treads, Deoxys Defense, Pheasantipity, Talonflame, Munchlax, Mischievous, and Dipplin. This is a very, very scary team. Like especially Zama Hero is like really, really good into my team. But yeah, starting off my team here is of course being Ogerpon Wellspring with Terra, with 32 HP, 252 attack, 224 speed with a drowning nature, with Ivy Cudgel, Horn Leech, Play Rough, and U-Turn. Pretty much like this outspeeds Iron Treads, but like if it's no booster. And also like this Ogerpon just helps, it just blows up this team and like helps weaken this team down, so that I could have another Pokemon come in and like try and clean up later on in the game and just help clean. And then like I don't really have Power Whip here, but that's because I have Horn Leech instead. Like extra recovery is nice, plus like those Grassy Terrain from Rillaboom, if that's up, so then that increases the power of it. And like I don't need Power Whip to kill Samurott Hisui, which like Power Whip would be kind of nice too, like I guess especially with Grassy Terrain for like Zama, but Ivy Cudgel does help do a lot of damage to that thing as well, and can crit, so it can also go through that defense boost, possibly. So next up on the team is Zapdos with Heavy Duty Boots, Static, 248 HP, 212 defense, 8 special attack, 40 speed with a timid nature, with Hurricane, Volt Switch, Roost, and Defog. Obviously it's here with Defog because it kind of needs to be here with Defog like every week because my hazard removal isn't the greatest. But yeah, he's fast enough to outspeed an Adamant, Rillaboom, and Samurott Hisui. And then this Zapdos at least just helps me swap into both Rillaboom and Zamazenta very well. And then at least it forces the Zama Hero to at least even have Stone Edge. So I need to watch out for Stone Edge, but Zapdos is here to help me with mostly the Rillaboom and Zama. Like kind of, I guess, Samurott Hisui, but I don't really want to swap that into that either. But yeah, next up on the team is Mega Lopunny with 104 HP, 252 attack, 4 defense, 148 speed, and then the Adamant Nature with Quick Attack, Return, Close Combat, and U-Turn. Now the reason I'm not going to speed creep the Talonflame on this Mega Lopunny is because I'm trying to make a call that the Talonflame isn't going to be max speed and it's going to be like very defensive for this Lopunny. So then that's why I'm going to outspeed the Iron Treads, because that's what I think he's going to do. And then Quick Attack is here to just help throw out some mind games against the Raging Bolt if absolutely necessary, but like it helps against Thunderclap, against Raging Bolt. So like if it's even in range of Quick Attack, then I can even Quick Attack against the Thunderclap. Or like, yeah, if it's low, if it dies to 2 Quick Attacks, I can always Quick Attack if he tries to Thunderclap, and then yeah. But yeah, that's my Mega Lopunny heal. Then next up is Weavile with Protective Pads, Pressure, 24 HP, 252 attack, 4 defense, and 228 speed with an Adamant Nature with Triple Axle, Knockoff, Low Kick, and SD. The reason why I went Adamant on this too is because yeah, I don't need to speed creep any. Like I need to speed basically go up to the treads, and that this goes up to the iron treads, and then also Adamant Weavile goes really insane here. So that's why I wanted to try to make sure I could especially go Adamant here, because Weavile is actually a pretty good Weavile matchup, all things considered too. Because then at least like if I'm able to even get up to an SD, and then like something that comes in, then I can click like knock off a Triple Axle on it. But yeah, I definitely need to be careful because of the Zama as well. So Zama is very good here. So this definitely can bait in the Zama, which will really suck. But yeah, next up on the team is Blacephalon with Choice Specs, Beast Boost, 88 HP, 156 defense, 20 special attack, 252 speed with a Timid Nature, with Flamethrower, Shadow Ball, Side Shock, and Trick. This Blacephalon is healed. He gets a speed boost, and then with Choice Specs as well, like he's healed to also try to like clean up the game, and just like he's a really good cleaner here. So that's definitely what Blacephalon's here for. He's also a really good, like it's nice having a special attacker here as well, and also like if Robert really wants to, if he's really scared of this Blacephalon, he even brings like Munchlax for that. But honestly, if he brings the Munchlax, I won't be too afraid, just because then it's at least one less Pokemon from his top 6 that he'll be bringing. So that would be like really helpful. But the Sandlot Hisui is also like a really good just revenger for this Blacephalon. So, which that's also what the HP and defense IVs are for, though. It unfortunately I could never help. It could never help against Sucker from Sandlot Hisui, but this helps against at least Aqua Jet. I made sure to check that part, but Sucker, it'll always click Sucker against Blacephalon, and which will always suck. But if he for some reason doesn't bring Sucker and brings Aqua Jet, this at least helps against Aqua Jet. So, and then the last Pokemon on my team is Tinkaton with a Citrus Berry, Pickpocket, 248 HP, 170 attack. 140 attack, 16 special defense, 104 speed, with a Careful Nature with Gigaton Hammer, Encore, Thunder Wave, and Stealth Rocks. This, like, Tinkaton is really healed. Like, the Encore especially is to help. Just, it helps with setup against this team, especially against Raging Bolt too. Like, it helps lock the Raging Bolt into something. Like, if it locks into Thunderclap, that's really good. Though, I don't think he's really ever going to click Thunderclap on Tinkaton. But yeah, Tinkaton's also fast enough to outspeed a max speed, modest Raging Bolt, which I don't think he would ever be timid, because also, like, Raging Bolt, I think it will always wants to be modest anyway. Thunder Wave is also just very good support on this team too, to just help slow down Mons and stuff too, like cut their speed in half too. And then Stealth Rocks, of course, just very helpful here too. And then Gigaton Hammer is, it's its best move, and then also Tinkaton's also a good swap into Pheasantipity if that shows up. So it also helps against that as well. Which I will say, the thing that definitely sucks about my team here is that there was no Garchomp. There was no like Electric Community and stuff. And the Garchomp's also like, I'd say like a good swap in for Samurott as well, but like I really want to try to fit Garchomp here, but Garchomp's also like not the greatest here anyway, which really sucks. So I really wanted to try to bring Garchomp, but I couldn't fit him on this team. But yeah, that is my team for the first week of PBL, and I'm very excited for this draft league to be starting up. And I'll catch you guys when the battle happens later. Peace. Alright. Well, welcome back. It's the battle time. Oh yeah, Taylor Fairley, Raging Bolt, Zama's Hero. Okay, yeah, this is the team that I kind of figured. No Talon Flame is actually, that's really good for Lopunny. That's actually really, really good for Lopunny. I might lead Lopunny here then. I might just lead Lop. I was thinking either Lopunny or, like, I was thinking Ogerpon maybe, but I might just lead Lopunny right now. Iron Treads, yep. So let's just say this is a... If it's a max Fizz Def... Like, let's just say... Close Combat actually doesn't kill. Wow. It's actually kind of crazy. Yeah, I think I'd just go for it though. Yep, Dio, that makes sense. It's probably gonna be Rocky Helmet. Yep, it is Rocky Helmet, yeah. Yeah. I mean, I don't U-turn now. I'm going to Weavile here. Stealth Max, that's fine. I think I might SD here. So it is Fizz Def. I want to make a call here, and I kind of want to triple axle on like a Zama at least. On like a Zama Hero. At least get the triple axle there, because that can do quite a bit here. You know what? He does go Zama Hero. Okay, that's really good damage. So how much did that do? That did 21, 43. So yeah, it's just max attack and everything. Stone Edge, yeah, that makes sense. Yeah, that is a bit rough. That's a bit of a high roll. That is a high roll. That really sucks. I mean, and he hits a second one, yeah. Damn it. Yeah. It's not really much I could really do on that. I guess I could have actually gone Tink. I guess, actually. Force him to, yeah. That really blows, actually. Yeah, that literally just blows. That he ended up just landing that both times. That really sucks, yeah. I think I might just lose to this, like, right on the spot now, if I don't. That really blows. I have an idea here, actually. I'm thinking about maybe on coin right now. If he CCs, I can go Blacephalon. If he sets up... Yeah. Close combat? Okay. That's really good. That's good then. Same one. That makes sense, yeah. Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. I clicked a little too fast. Clicked a little too fast. Yeah, let's go back to Tink. Yeah, that... Wow. Wow, that really sucks. I'm gonna T-Wave here. I'll T-Wave here. I'm gonna encore it again. Then he's so good, I'm gonna encore it now. Okay, that's fine. Yeah. Now I don't really have a swap into this. Which really sucks too. Yeah, that really blows. Rapid spin did 22. Yeah, he's 5. Edge, okay. Yeah, okay, I'm playing like ass. Yeah, that really, like, those double stone edge hits on the Zapdos, like, really, like, and I'm like, I'm throwing this game away. I'm playing like complete ass. I should have just... Yeah, I think... Yeah, I just end up losing to this now. Yeah, I should have just guessed. I'm playing like so ass right now, dude. I suck, dude. I suck so much. Yeah, and then he gets to do that for free. It's fine. Deoxys defense. Let's look at this. I'm clicking knockoff this time. It's fine. Okay, let's see. I'm gonna click SD right now. I am stupid. Knockoff doesn't even kill. Oh wait, at +2. But yeah, I'm a little stupid. Knockoff doesn't even kill. I'm really stupid. I didn't even calc that. I'm really stupid. It's fine. We go for some extra maybe crits here. Okay. Now it's fine though because going to Lopunny, I think. Actually. Oh no. Okay. Yeah, that makes sense. Unfortunately though, I do have to just sack this heal. That's fine. Oh wait, what do I do here? I always just click CC. That's fine. That did a lot. He's faster? Wait. How is it? I clicked Okay, I don't really understand how that was faster. Yeah. Okay. Is that... Yeah, I played like complete ass. Yeah. I really played like really bad. I guess like I probably could have gone like Tink on the first time against Zama on the Stone Edge and then go Zapdos, or at least even go Tink on the second one. But yeah, just hitting the two Stone Edges connecting also really sucked. But I just played that really bad. Yeah, I played that really bad. That was just bad game on my part. That was just a really bad game on my part. But yeah, I'll catch you later for PBL week 2 next week. Peace.